Objects are detected and classified directly in the 3D point cloud, enabling reliable results without relying on manual pre-processing. Users can define and apply their own classification schemes, tailored to specific projects or use cases. The user always remains in control. Classifications can be reviewed, adjusted, and refined interactively. The classification approach works for indoor and outdoor datasets, independent of the scanner type, and supports all kinds of objects. Measurements are derived from underlying geometric planes, removing the need to manually click individual points and ensuring both ease of use and high precision. From SLAM scan to floor plan in minutes, while keeping the user fully in control and maintaining maximum accuracy.